No come here. Guys who not here. Kartel donate $35 million to Jamaica. Then suppose him never come from prison, I would have give it.
A few moments later.
But Kartel, like you alone, people have said donate $1 million US. Everybody has said that on the internet. You alone, me not hear nobody say about other artists.
Yeah, but it's not a million, but may I say.
However, you don't know media facts, you know. Remember for like, share, and subscribe, but I know things set. So people see some little thing go on at the media, and you know, me I say, yo, me have to address it, cause you know, me have to just share made about the situation, but see, me I go play that clip of people, I'm making to hear what that person I say. See, listen.
Come here. Guys who not here. Kartel donate $35 million to Jamaica. Then suppose him never come from prison, I would have give it. Me not lie. Can somebody talk Kartel and tell him say me not have no window, me not have no door? Kartel, me proud of you. Me proud of you, Kartel. Them say, oh, God bless, no man curse. And this is it. Yes, man, bless up yourself 1,000 times. Yeah, man.
So people, me not understand this, you know. You understand? Because she has say, yo, if Kartel never come out from prison, how them would have managed. Me not understand that. You see it, but me understand says a God's a fans and you know. But me I say, yo, a lot of artists out there donate. And me don't know where them get this $35 million thing. Me don't know if them did dead or what. See? But there's a lot of amount of money, the one bag of money thing. Me never know say you helping out people, it have a maximum or minimum limit where you're supposed to donate. I never know of that. You understand? Because everybody see the artists them out there. You see me? And them a donate. When I hear no figure say, yo, this a artist a donate $1 million whatsoever, you know. You just see the artists them out there buy the food them and a issue to the people them, you understand? So me not really know about all this to say Kartel. Address the situation and I go play the video. You understand? So I want to listen people. You understand? Listen what I go on.
But Kartel, like you alone, people have said donate $1 million US. Everybody has said that on the internet. You alone, me not hear nobody say about other artists.
Yeah, but it's not a million, but may I say. You tell me something about but hold on now. That's why the first thing you do when me forward on, me make sure make that clear.
So you see it? At first me I hear that the information there, you know. You see what me I try to tell the people, the social media world is very dangerous. So basically, them a say is a $1 million US, you know, that about 160 million Jamaican, you know. And you hear Kartel just come and say, yo, it is not that amount. The man say it's a good amount, but it's not that amount. $160 million. I don't know where all of them figures you hear 35 million, then you hear 1 million US. You understand? I don't know where them people are get them information from. But listen, what go on?
I remember me I see. So me see the artists them do them thing. Me not care about when a man do, but me still have to big them up because I see them doing their thing.
Right.
People can see a man doing thing, you don't know where a man do.
And is that a competition thing too?
No, it can't.
And these are the thing, you know, people. I tell people, say, look here, the artists them know, obligated to do these things out of them heart. Them a do them something and they care for the people. It's like humans, people are care for people, care for fans, all of the support over the years. You understand? All what go on at the government. You understand? At the government work. I just we as people when it comes to them time and you know, we just say, yo, we're gonna just help out some people. You understand? Who in need. That are just we. You see me? So if you not see an artist out there issue out anything, that no means them not contribute to anything. And everybody want them contribution in the media for clout and all of these things. You understand? Them just want to say, yo, me give a man that thing there for buy a couple cement or black or whatever and just know say, yo, me support, you understand? Me put support to the people them. Me just want to say, yo, yeah, me buy a case of water, yeah, me buy some crackers and buy some tin food. Yeah. Within yourself, nobody know if you know. You understand? And not everybody want dip on the media and say, yo, me contribute this, me I do this, You understand? So I just want to know that, say, yo, the artist them, it's not the artist them job, really. If you do what them I do right now, it's just out of the heart and the support that the fans give them just say, yo, me I help out about the people them. But no mean say, yo, them have to do it. Them not have to do it. Because it's not their job too. You understand? The government is there. Government is there to serve the people them. You understand? We're heart good and we look out for the people them. Is what I try to say. If you don't see an artist out there do them thing, don't mean say them not supporting. You understand? But listen.
Uncle, remember we not cap that.
No, no, man. Trust me,
We no cap. Me stay from day one. From if you know Kartel from day one. That's what me stay. We no cap. No competition can in this weather. That's why I said the first thing I say when we forward on for your show. Speak with the artists. I have to speak for my peers them same way when we get the platform to speak. It's the artists and the things. You understand?
Yeah, man. So some of the guys I found them out there. Zane, cause you will hear some of them I say, yo, the artists them nah do nothing. Or you will hear like other people I say the artists them nah do nothing. You understand? See Kartel I tell you, him see artists I do it. And him just say, not because you don't see a man no mean say them nah do it. You understand? I just saw the thing said.
So it's like a man come on the show in my police. He have to still pick up him police comrades them. Can you see them put in the work?
Right.
It can never be no competition, man. We are talking about, man. That's not hell.
Yeah, man. This.
Yeah, man, people. So, as I say, people, the artists, them a do them thing. The artists, them a help out. We see Shaggy, we see Sean Paul, we see MASICKA. You understand? Kartel a do him thing. You understand? Who else? A lot of artists out there, man. The artists, them go out there. Silk Bass, a lot of different artists. Javinci, the whole of them, man. Everybody a put them hand in I think to support the people, them. You understand? And it's a good look. You see me? It's a good look. ALKALINE same speed I do it. You understand? But you don't know how ALKALINE things stay already. ALKALINE just do him thing. You understand? It's not a media man and all of them look a thing there. Him have him team or deal with them thing there. You understand? We deal with them donation and every little thing. I don't know artists are donate. Artists always been donating to the people them. It's not because hurricane. You understand? Artists always are donate and I give things. You see me? But I don't know when since this competition which artists give the most money and for donate and all of them things. At the end of the day, everybody I support the people them. You understand? Everybody I give care package and all of them look at something there. It's a good look. All if an artist come with a one case of water, I still give them a give same way. You understand? It no matter how much money, it's the support that you give. So if you not see some artists in the media give out, you can't bash them because you don't know what going on behind doors. And not everybody love the media thing and not everybody love support people and I put themselves out there and say, yo, this. Cause remember, you know, a social media world we're in and sometimes people just do things for clout. But at the end of the day, we still not gonna bash them people there. Clout or not, them still help the people them same way. You understand? So, the artists, them a do it, everybody a do it. You see me? The whole away, just do what we have to do for help the people them because them need help right now. The government alone cannot do it. You understand? Them cannot. We as a people, yeah, we have to play a part too. You understand? Yeah, because the government is just a small body. And at the end of the day, the same people them I use is we, like the soldier, them, the police, them and everything. Because the regular people is just that when them got them job is just a different thing. But I see them people them. You understand? So we as people, we stand together, stand at one, and we help out each other. It's no matter what you have. If I 1 tin mackerel, yeah. If I 1 pound of rice, yeah. If I 1 pound of flour, yeah. It still help. It still a feed somebody out there. We need the help. You understand? So the artist them a do them thing and it's a good look. You understand? It's a very good look. You understand? Because if nobody never did that help right now, a lot of people wouldn't have food to eat. And remember this, people. At the end of the day, it could have been the last what the people them have and them still are giving them. Remember, say people I take them time out of them day for baggage, care packages and all of them little thing there, Left all them family, Zine, not even buy grocery for them house, You understand? Just for know say, yo, they might go down the road or go down to the country or the west side and know say, look here. Me have to make sure say, yo, them people get something to eat. Or if a 2 tin mackerel alone left in them cupboard and them take that and give them, it's still a help. You understand? A help is no matter the amount of money or whatsoever. You understand? The only difference is, yeah, the large sum are going to reach more people. But at the end of the day, it all boils down to the help where the people need and who can give it. You understand? So not because you don't see artists out there, seeing? Not because you don't see artists out there a issue out like where you see Sean Paul and Shaggy them and MASICKA them. You understand? Not because you see them and you know see other artists mean say them don't give a support. Cause remember, a lot of artists donate to like independent people, Like for example, Ramesh or some different entities or some different organization. Them just donate like buy some stuff or give them the money and then them buy the stuff them. You understand? And just know say, yo, I support the thing. You understand? But you will have artists who have them team who will go out there and do it and, make the thing look good. Them just want out there as, come out of them work zone and them exclusive zone and, and you have artists where have them own team. Them team deal with that. You understand? And as me say, the artists them not obligated to do anything for the people them. You understand that the government responds to the people them. So the artists them what them do right now is very magnificent because they don't have to do it. It's out of them heart and the love for the people of Jamaica make them do it right now. You understand? So at the end of the day, I support people. You understand? And my respect to all of the artists them. All who we see in the media put in the work for help the people them and all who are donate behind the doors same way for help the people them. You understand? Big respect. You understand? Because if you see the people them out there wanna eat and need the help right now and wanna have shows to do or whatever business or to no family and if you take the time and go out there go support the people them and thing and help them is a good look. You understand? And respect for that. You understand? Because we see what go on in Jamaica right now. The death toll go up. You understand? All of these things happening. People need people in the house. Everything blow away. Hungry, them not eat for days. Yes. The artists, them a help. The private entity, them a help. People were just, normal people just say, I feel for the people, man, can donate and every little thing. Yeah, man, people, it's a good look. I'm a rate it. Because as I say, government can't do it alone. You understand? Need more people for deal with it. We need the people for help people. You understand? If you know, say, you're there foreign and you send down a thing and, for buy something in the community where you usually live or get affected by the hurricane, do it. It's a good look, same way. And the people, remember, the government work for the people, Them serve the people, You understand? So, we can help each other. You understand? And on the government alone. You see it? So, all we have to say, people, just stay safe out there. You understand? Yeah, man. You know, it's kind of sad to see all of them houses then. See a lot of people coming out, crying and all of these things. You know? But we can do what we are doing to go take time and, everything take time. I just saw the thing go. But, different plans and different measurements can install in the situation to make things kind of move a little speed, but at the end of the day, we can do what we can do, and it's still going to take time. You understand? And as me say, big up to the artists them who support the thing. You understand? The one them where we can see, and the one them where behind doors, just give them donation same way. Yeah, and just easy back. You understand? But people when they don't know, a media facts, yeah man, that is it.